We got this awesome Citadel Technical Martian Ironcrust here. Now I wanted to try this out for some bases for my miniature. So opening this up, here it is. It's pretty thick as well. So what I used is just used an old spare paintbrush, one that I really don't care about too much, to help me spread this all on the miniature. Now I painted the miniature orange, the base orange, just in case if any cracks appear, it will blend in with the Martian crust. And then I watered it down and brushed it on the miniature's legs as well to make it look like he's been there for a while. So this is the Martian crust while it's wet, and then here it is after a couple hours of drying, and then I just continue to let it dry, and here is the finished Martian crust look right here. And I added some other miniature basing details like some rocks there to make him look like he's really on Mars right there. And it just really dried very nicely and gave you a lot of different textures, and once it dries it is up there, which is nice. And then I also did it for another miniature that I had there. This time I didn't put any rocks there. I just kind of wanted you to see how it looks, and I still dusted the legs with watered down Martian crust to kind of give him that feel he's been walking all through that Mars. But overall, I loved how it turned out. I'm going to be using this a lot more, and I definitely would recommend